this is the Airbnb. So let's check out the inside. Alright. I've already been in here, so if y'all see stuff, that's why. This is the kitchen. I'm not gonna be doing any cooking, so this is cute. Table. Cute little pictures on the wall. So this is gonna be the living room area. Cute. TV. Y'all, this is not a smart TV and I'm so upset. And this is the balcony. Ooh, y'all almost fell. Look at this view. Like, who wouldn't want to see this view every day? And it feels so amazing out here because y'all, it's fall time. Literally right across the street from a Walmart. Like, what's the chances? I'm gonna show y'all the bathroom. So this is the restroom. Here is the me. Look at a mess. About to get cute in a second. The restroom is cute. Tub. Not special, but it's cute. And here's the room. Y'all, this room is okay. It's just okay. Like, nothing special. But yeah, that's the Airbnb. Hey y'all, so I'm dressed in the first fit of the day. And I want y'all to see it. I'm about to go to a little party. It's a party that the wedding guests are hosting. So I got this little sweater on with some shorts and my Air Jordan 12. So cute. Hey y'all, so I'm at the wedding party right now. It's a vibe. Do y'all see my background? Like, it is so pretty. Do y'all see the pool? It's definitely a vibe. So I got this little fit on. It's cute or whatever. Yeah, we just about to chill. We've been vibing with everybody. It's been pretty good. Like, it's definitely a nice event. Y'all, this house is so big and pretty. And yeah, we just vibing. Nothing going on for real. So I'm gonna talk to y'all and get something else going on or get to our next destination. Y'all see how big these Caesar slices are? Look at this. It looks good though. Pizza by the slice. Good morning, ladies and freaking gents. It is a great morning. I am feeling good. I am looking good. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in a little bit. Yeah, y'all, I'm up, I'm dressed. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, the day of the actual wedding. Y'all, I am so excited. I am so excited to bring y'all along with me to the wedding. Like, I know it's gonna be beautiful. And I'm so ready to get on this yacht, y'all. I didn't even tell y'all the wedding was on a freaking yacht. Like, I've never actually been on a yacht. So I am really excited for this experience. I can't even lie. But yeah, my friend and I, we're about to go and run some errands this morning. So on the to-do list for today, I know we have to go to Walmart. We have to find an alterations place, y'all. same day alterations place. So I don't even know how that's gonna go. We also have to go to the mall. We might get on some jet skis, but I think we need to say that for tomorrow. Can't even lie. But what else we gotta do? Probably get some food, but whatever I do, y'all already know y'all coming along with me. But yes, I'm so excited today because y'all, I'm already, like, I'm up. It's 8 o'clock. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling blessed. I hope y'all are doing the same. So yeah, we about to go ahead and get into this day. We ain't about to do too much talking, so yeah, keep watching. It's me, world. All right, y'all, so we have to charge the car because we are on 20% and we not about to be running out of power nowhere. So we at the mall, we about to charge the car. So I'm about to figure out how to do this because this is our very first time, well, this is my very first time having to actually charge a Tesla. So we about to see. Just to let y'all know that this charger did not charge up the car, or if anything, we later found out that this actual charging station was for the Tesla store inside the mall, so we was not supposed to park here. So we ended up having to recharge the car after we left the mall.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs,
so gorgeous.
Wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your kiss, for your touch, to feel your presence. Many nights I've cried from the things you do, felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions. So many people, love, faith in you. Sometimes so strange.
I'm gonna cry, y'all. I am emotional. For real. Y'all, they got dessert for us. Look at that key lime pie and cheesecake. You know I got cheesecake because I'm a cheesecaker. Got coffee. Y'all, this is so nice.
Do y'all see these mansions? This is how we finna be living one day. You know, I'm manifesting it one day. This is beautiful. This is life. This is living. You know what they say? Out here in Miami. Y'all, I'm vibing. I'm feeling good. I hope y'all feeling good, you know? This is beautiful. Like, can't lie to y'all.
A couple old schools in my backyard. If I don't know you, I'ma serve you through my brother's bar.
5, 4, 8. Okay.
We can do whatever, girl.
Okay.
We take some time into my world. Then on a Monday, when they got a Monday. On a Tuesday, we get to the movies.
What? And now she got her eyes on me. And now she got her eyes on me.
Oh, mama said she love me. Sister said she like me. Better say I'm cool, cause my neck is really icy.
And now she got her eyes on me. And now she got her eyes on me.
I might get a ticket tonight. Tryna make it to your crib. I might even lose my license. The way I'm driving, baby. Please stop up from me until it's on my face. You gon' be my blessing tonight. So keep your eyes when I'm doing 65.
Y'all, it's like 2, 3 in the morning, and we are at the casino. One of my favorite places. I ain't gonna say that because I don't like giving them folks free money. But we at the Hard Rock Casino, and we finna get into it. Like, we finna get into it. We finna see if we can come up on our bag. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on how my winnings go, and I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. So I forgot to update y'all about how the casino went, but long story short, remind me to never go back to the casino again. That's all I gotta say. They need to bring me my money back. I'm out here in Miami. Okay, y'all, I am at the licking. Everybody comes here, I'm pretty sure. Anybody who's been to Miami has gone to the licking. I got a little to-go order, and we're gonna see what it tastes like. All right, y'all, this is my food. It looks really good. I've had this before. So, aesthetically, it's giving 10 out of 10. Lots of chicken, lots of sauce. It's a little greasy. You see a little grease right there, but it looks like it's gonna taste good. So we about to see. Y'all, that is so good. Like, the best drink, literally the best drink flavor I've ever had. Can't even lie. I love Miami. Like, the vibes in Miami is just so unmatched. I don't know if I would live here, but I can definitely come on vacation to Miami for a whole month and not want to go home. This sun is burning my face, but let's just admire the skin. You feel me? But I have a flight to catch. Sadly, this is the last day in Miami, but I truly enjoyed myself. So I'll probably see y'all probably at the airport because I gotta run some errands before I leave. And I'm on a time crunch, so I don't think I had time to record. But I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, Miami. Time to go home, and I am so sad. But I'll see you next time.